Hello, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel, and here we're doing a quick unboxing video today. We have the button lock Elementum. This is the original button lock Elementum. There is a new version of the button lock for the Elementum. It's called the Elementum 2, but this one's going to be the longer one. By the way, this guy right here on the top right is the original Elementum, right? I think the blade on this guy is going to be around 2.96 inches, right? Whereas the new Elementum is going to be around 3.47, around 3.5. So this guy's going to be around 3.5. This guy's about 2.96. You're going to see the comparison here in just a moment. And by the way, I've been EDCing this guy. If you haven't seen the unboxing video on this guy, make sure to check it out. And yeah, it's been awesome EDCing this guy. I will have a review, right, on this guy in just a little bit in the channel. So look out for that. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button if you haven't already. And guys, the link for this Elementum button lock is going to be in the description. Affiliate links do help out the channel. So when you use them, the channel may get a small compensation as no extra cost to you, and so it is definitely up to you to use them, but if you do, they will help out the channel tremendously. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it right here. Let's see what we got here out of the pouch. All right, we got out of the box here, we got this black Civivi branded pouch, which is very typical on all of their knives. Taking a look at what's inside of the pouch here, we have, of course, the knife itself. We'll put that aside here for now. We have some instructions. We have some stickers, of course. This is very common of Civivi knives, right? Let's get this Elementum back in here in frame. All right, that's the one that we're going to be comparing it to. And you have a nice Civivi cloth to wipe your knife clean, as you should at the end of every day. Keep it nice, clean, right, so they last you a long time. Silica gel, and this is nice and furry inside, so to give your knife a nice home, right, if you do want to use this pouch. So pretty neat. We're going to put this down here. Let's go ahead and take the knife out of the plastic there, right, and put that to the side. And here it is, guys, all blacked out. This is the Civivi Elementum button lock, right? This is the original, not that newer version. There's now a newer version called the Civivi Elementum button lock 2. I'll put a picture of that here on the screen. That being said, this guy was the very first button lock. So again, compared to the original one, we're gonna get into that there in just a moment. All right, let me give you some quick basics on this guy. Once again, all blacked out G10 liners, everything is all blacked out. It is a deep pocket carry right here, so that means that the whole knife is going to be sitting nice and hidden in your pocket, and nothing should be visible with this deep carry pocket clip right there. All the screws there seem to be around, I want to say, T8 and T6. We'll confirm that during the actual review. We'll get weights and hardware measurements and all that when we do the review. By the way, my plan is to EDC this guy over the next week or two, right? That way I can come back and give you guys a comprehensive review with everything there is to know, all my feedback, you know, my impressions and everything after using EDC in this knife for a while. That being said, let's go ahead and open it up. And yeah, this guy, the only action to open it and close it is going to be that button lock right there, right? That's going to be everything to open it and close. It is a longer blade, again, 3.47 inches in length. This is a nice stone wash black right here. It is a 14C 28N, right? 14C 28N. Civivi does a good job. They always print the steel right here on the blade. I'm not sure if the camera is going to be able to pick that up. Hopefully it does. And yeah, to close it, right, same deal, right? This guy is so fidgety because, I mean, look at that action right there. Open, close, open, close, open, close all day. And the key here is to press the button and let go when you open it, so that way you can lock in the open position. Press and let go to close it. That way you can lock in the closed position. But I mean, this guy feels really good in the hand. It has a same handle shape as the original Elementum. So let's get this guy out here and let's do some size comparisons, right? So there it is, right? Of course, the handle is going to be a lot smaller on this guy, right? The blade is going to be smaller on the original Elementum, of course. The button lock, longer blade, longer handle. I really wish the logo was a little bit bigger on the button lock, but I can see where they had to make room for the button right there. So that part makes sense. But yeah, other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. Of course, this one is a liner lock, so you'll be unlocking the blade here. With this guide, everything happens with the button itself. Yeah, same clip and everything, right? Same deep pocket clip, all of that good stuff. Some nice jimping right here, so you can get a good you know, good cut right somewhere for your thumb to grip and be able to make some good cuts. This blade shape, guys, this drop point right here from Civivi, this thing is amazing to EDC. I'll tell you that since I've been using this guy so far. So keep that in mind. Let me close this guy out of the way. Again, this is the original Civivi Elementum. A review on this guy will be coming here very soon to the channel. Same with this guy. I'll be EDCing this guy and giving you guys a review in a few weeks. This guy comes in off of Amazon, is going to be around somewhere around 65 to, I want to say, you know, $66, $67 with taxes. Definitely under 70 bucks, right? There's the all blacked out version right there. They have a Damascus with what is that? Carbon fiber handles. That guy comes in at $107. So yeah, and you got other colors too, right? Some light green, dark green, and such. I decided to get this guy in the all blacked out version. I mean, that was the one that called out to me. Right, and there it is again. Links will be in the description, affiliate links if you want to check it out. It comes in under 70 bucks, I'm assuming with tax, right? Around $65 with tax is going to get you around a little bit under 70 bucks. But I got to tell you guys, I mean, right out of the box, look at this guy, right? The way it opens, the way it closes, you can sit there and do this over and over again. Right, no flipper, right? No thumb studs for any other type of opening method, but that button right there, right? That's the only thing. Some people might look at that thinking, hey, that might be a downside, or maybe I prefer knives that have multiple opening mechanisms. Right, for people who want multiple opening mechanisms, you might consider something like this Sencut Crawley. It's also a subsidiary of Civivi, Sencut. So they're part of the same brand, We Knives, Civivi, Sencut. This one is the Sencut Crawley, and you have the flipper action, right? And you have the button opening and the thumb stud opening as well, right? So if you're looking for something that offers a little bit more, right, look for the review on this guy, the Sencut Crawley. But again, this guy as is, right, a very classic design. Can't go wrong with the Civivi Elementum. This one's a little bit bigger, so it feels the hand a little bit more, right? I want to say I have average hands, so not big hands like other folks, so it feels great. It feels great on the hand. And again, the opening and closing right there, right? It is awesome. So again, check your local laws. This is over 3 inches on blade size. All right, I'm not a lawyer or an attorney. I guess in some areas this might be considered a gravity knife because you kind of use gravity to open and close, but it does lock in place. So it won't open unless you press the button, right, and swing it. So keep that in mind. But that's been it, guys. Again, affiliate link in the description. If you use that link, it will help out the channel, support the channel. If you made it this far, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. This has been the Civivi Elementum button lock unboxing. This is the original button lock. This is the original Elementum, right? So let me know in the comments, which one would you rather have? Would you lean towards the original one, right? It's a little bit more affordable. Would you lean towards the button lock, or would you lean towards the new version, which actually has both of these button lock and flipper on this size knife? So let me know in the comments. Let's discuss that down there in the comments. But hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.